Gold and silver yesterday reversed from the critical resistance at 26.55, 56 and 31.50 levels here. And today again it has started the day on a bearish note, but we have seen a very smart recovery in gold and silver. Big day today. All eyes set on the non-farm payrolls data. Yes, the jobs will give a picture that what to expect from the next Fed meeting, whether to expect a rate cut or a bigger rate cut. Yes, because 0.25% is all markets have already factored in. So what to expect, where to enter, where to exit trading gold and silver today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the NFP data release. Do not miss to watch that. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first on the hourly. Look at the formation here. Drop, consolidation, drop, retracement. Very important for gold to break beyond 26.58.60 zone. Once it breaks beyond this, just stay bullish beyond 26.58.60. We are looking forward to very strong rise which can take it towards 26.80 and in fact close to 2700. What's happening here? After this decline, it has reversed and now has come towards the next resistance zone. Even if you see it is staying above now 26.44 levels, initiate a buying entry at 26.44. Expect 26.48.52 as the first target zone, or rather I will say 26.48.50 as the first target zone, 26.55.56 as the next, and then 26.60. If these three levels are taken, I think we are set to see a very strong rise here today. Possibility is there. Right now these are trading bearish. The price was trading with divergence from the 20-50 period moving average. We have seen it converging, now trying to again see the moving averages which are trading with divergence are now starting to look upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls here. Stochastic rising. The MACD after hitting the lows have crossed over. It is looking upwards, again a good sign here as well. RSI rising. On the 2-hour chart, see the lows here and the lows here, it is slightly higher, and it is not that it cannot achieve further lows, but right now it is on the path of recovery, and I will wait for it to break beyond 2660, which will definitely take it towards 2680 levels, and beyond that certainly more bullishness will prevail. If you connect the dots here, you will find that, see, despite this drop, right now the movement is very much sideways, and I will not treat this as a bearish or bullish breakout. Though it has breached past the critical support zone at 2620, 2618 today, but have failed to sustain and has bounced back so far. Stochastic rising, the MACD trying to converge, wait for a crossover here. This can lead to reversal. RSI rising, coming to 3. Look at the 3-hour charts. After the drop here, it has bounced back. It has come towards the resistance. I will wait for the next candle. And once the next candle, if you see it trading about 26.48.50 and 26.58.60 levels, you can say we are set to see a stronger recovery in gold prices. But remember, as long as now for the day 26.58.60 is not taken, do not treat gold as bullish. Yes, as long as 26.58.60 is not taken, do not treat gold as bullish. What it has done with this rise, it has come towards the 20-50-100 period moving average. I will definitely watch out for the next candle, and if it turns out to be a greener candle, certainly more bullishness is going to be seen. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish. It was trading with divergence, now has started to converge. This can set to reversal. RSI is also rising here, and when you see the 4, now look at the 4-hour chart. See reversal confirmation, one bearish candle, and see a swing candle closing at the double top levels. Now double top levels here, you can also notice this is also the resistance zone where we can see 20-50 period moving average crossing over, and thus it is very important for the gold prices to trade about 26.44-45 levels, which will confirm the next move. And in fact we can see it hitting 26.48.50 and 55.56. If it trades above this zone, yes, we are set for a recovery. Right now I will not treat gold as either bullish or bearish, but the prospects are high that it can show or post a recovery from here. Why? Because see, if you notice this, you can say that this is the reversal sign. This is the first bullish candle, and I will expect a second one, which can be a stronger bullish candle here. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, RSI is flat. Coming to daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, look at the move here. Very, very strong resistance here, and let it break past this threshold here at 2650, 860, and then you can look forward to a very, very strong rise again. Now see what's happening after the decline. It is staying in the zone. What it has done today, it is delivered lower lows and lower highs are already seen here. So breakout here is what you should wait for. And remember, the breakout here you should be cautious of, as till 2680 is achievable, and beyond that we can in fact see it hitting 2700 levels. On the downside now, see, if you see it is staying now below 2634 levels, expect 2630-28 as the first, 2620-18 as the next. If these two levels are taken, stay short. Again, yesterday also I have mentioned, below 2620, 2618, we can look forward to the next move towards 260810, and then below that 2600. Breaking below 2600, it is not going to come back up again. It is going to move towards 2580 and lower levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green, RSI is also flat here. Now looking at this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, where to buy? As I've mentioned, you can buy here at 2644.45. Be careful at 48.50, 55.56, and then 58.60. Once these three levels are taken, I think we are looking forward to a stronger move which can take it towards 2670, 72, 2678, 80 zone as well. Beyond 2680, stay bullish. We can see gold hitting 2700 today itself. Be watchful and mind my words, 2700 is possible today itself. On the downside, I will recommend a selling at 2634. Be careful at 2630, 28 first, 2620, 22, or rather I'll say 2618, 20 as the next, and then below that 2610, 12. If 2610, 12 zone is taken, stay short for 2600, and then 2580 and 2550 will be seen here. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to see what silver has done here is rise, retracement. It is retraced sharp. Now it is on the verge of a breakout, and again 3140 levels are proving out to be a good resistance. I will recommend you to buy if you see silver is staying above 3150 levels itself. Once it breaches beyond 3150, look at the formation rise. See this rise, see this. So, and yes, if you connect the dots, you will find the higher lows and higher highs. What we are looking at, $32 levels. If it stays above 3150, 3160, direct lending is towards $32 levels. Remember this fact here. If moving averages are still trading bullish, stochastic rising, MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a buy. Again, a good sign for the bulls. RSI flat. No, not much indication here on the RSI part. When you see the 2-hour chart, similar observation. See, now 31, 40, 50 is proving out to be very, very critical, and let it break beyond this, and then you can definitely expect a stronger move. Now, if you connect the dots here, what you will see? You will see a very good bullish channel. The highs of the channel are now close to $32 levels. Remember this fact. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. Let it cross over. RSI rising on the 3. What silver has done, it has taken the support from the 20 period and has bounced back. Now ready to give a breakout. This could be the first greener candle, and then the second candle, when it appears, it can deliver a very strong breakout here. Be mindful of this. It is trading in this bullish channel. Highs of this channel are towards 31.80, $32 levels. Yes, there's stochastic rising, but the important thing is the MACD, which is crossed over for a sell and now trying to converge. Wait for it to cross over here, and it can lead to a stronger rally. RSI rising, coming to 4. The observation on the 4-hour charts is similar. Rise, retracement, retracement. Divide this into 2. Wait for a breakout, and then once it stays above 3150, you can stay bullish. You can expect it to move. See, 3150, 3160, you have to exercise a bit of caution here. Beyond this, stay bullish. I would definitely love to see silver at 32 and 32.50 levels. Moving averages crossing over here is a very good sign for the bulls. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green, trying to stay bullish here. RSI rising as well. On the daily charts, On the daily charts, look at the last two candles and in fact the current candle. See, bigger tails are seen. The support levels here are far below towards 30, 40, 50. And today it is started with the tail. It is now trying to break out. A move beyond 31, 50, 60 should be taken up seriously, and then you can look forward to a very strong rise. See, bigger the tail can lead to a bigger recovery and a bigger rise. And notice what it has done. It has formed a base. It is trying to stay bullish. It is delivering higher highs and higher lows, and it is trading in this channel where the highs are towards 32. So I'll be looking forward to 32 here. The stochastic overbought here. The MACD crossed over, trying to trade with bullishness, and RSI flat. Looking at this, very simple, I will recommend you to buy at 3150 levels. And remember, the lower price has to be above 3150. Expect 3165, 3185, 32. Once it trades beyond 32, chances will be very, very high, 32, 40, 50, and in fact $33 levels should be there very, very soon. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 3120 levels, but with the caution note, till 31 and 3080 you should not be treating this as bearish. Once it trades below 3080, it is not going to come back up again. We can look forward to 30, 40, 50, and in fact $30 levels. Chances for such a drop, I do not expect it to happen, but these are markets. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates.